Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Pinterest, right? They don't actually have an inbuilt feature, so what you need to do is go ahead and download an extension. It's called Night Eye. Search this up on Google and open up the Chrome Web Store URL, okay? Go ahead and open this up and then you just want to come here, click on Add to Chrome. There we go. And then click on Add Extension and it will start downloading. So this is how we're going to do this on PC. So you can see it is downloading. And on phone, you just need to change your system's theme settings to dark mode and it'll automatically update in the app as well. So wait for this to download. There we go. It has been added to Chrome. I'll just go ahead and pin this. And all we need to do is go ahead and click on that. So we have this enabled, right? So you can click on try for free. And here we have the dark mode. So we are currently on dark mode. I'll come here and refresh Pinterest. And there we go, guys. As you can see, our Pinterest is now in dark mode. And it's really that easy and simple.